The EarFun Air. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the EarFun Air True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 2 hours, and it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge. Bluetooth 5.0, AAC SBC codec, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a simple look and it's compact. It has a matte finish all around with the branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LEDs. And on the bottom is the USB-C charge port. As mentioned, this has wireless charging, and here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. The lid is light and it's easy to open and close, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Inside the case, it has a glossy finish. The earbuds have a stem design and an ergonomic shape. Inside has a matte finish with the ear indicators on the bottom of the stem. And on the outer face, it has a glossy finish with the branding along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Playback and call controls is a matter of tapping a few times to get the desired functions. This also has volume controls. The case comes in at 2 by 1.3 by 2 inches. It weighs in at 44 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love? Wake up, flex, thumbs down now. Check, no drip, just wet. Time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it up. I wake up, flex, thumbs down now. Check, no drip, just wet. Time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the EarFun Air microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was really good during calls. There was good noise reduction and other parties were able to hear me loud and clear. The pairing process was instant and there were no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the EarFun Air. I found the earbuds to be really comfortable, and I didn't feel a lot of pressure in my ear canals. They seated well, created a good seal, and it felt secure. Touch controls are a definite plus and it doesn't add pressure. Build and quality is solid. Simple case design that feels durable. Earbuds also feel durable and have a slim profile when seated in the ears. Touch controls are not overly sensitive and respond well to touch. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 7 hours and 35 total with the case. I like the IPX7 rating along with the USB-C and wireless charging. It would have been nice to see active noise cancellation integrated. Now when it comes to sound, these didn't disappoint. The bass comes in pronounced, punchy and tight, and it's not too airy. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, good separation and balance, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Just crisp and balanced across the board and a very pleasant listening experience. Overall, there is good value in these earbuds. The sounds are good for music and the call quality is great. The price point is also competitive. So that is my review of the EarFun Air True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.